Hey, happy Monday. I'm meteorologist Todd Clausen. Not a bad 7-day forecast here behind us. It features a nice warming trend as we head into the beginning of the weekend. Today, temperatures will climb up into the 40s, but have the rain gear handy. We're going to be out and about throughout the course of the afternoon and into the evening hours, as we are expecting some very light rain showers to make their way into the area, but they will be all rain showers with temperatures in the 40s. And you see on TrueCast here, everything is very scattered in nature. Again, we are not looking at a lot in the way of rainfall. We're looking at about 1/10 of an inch at best in most locations. Most of us will probably be only a few hundredths of an inch, but this rain is part of a cold front that's coming through, and tomorrow's one of those days what you see in the morning is what you're going to get throughout the entire day. We'll have the clouds, we'll have a steady temperature right around the 32, 33 degree mark, and we'll also have a pretty good breeze throughout the entire day. But things really improve once we get to Wednesday. The sunshine returns, and then a nice warming trend as we head into the weekend. Saturday temperatures will climb up into the low 50s. Join Kevin Gregory for your latest forecast right throughout the afternoon and into the evening hours on the RTV6 app and the IndyChannel.com.